Today, we're diving into what makes this classic stand out, from its sumptuous interior to its commanding exterior and impressive performance. There's something undeniably captivating about the 1977 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, a car that embodies the grandeur of American luxury in the 1970s. The Coupe DeVille was designed to turn heads, and it does so effortlessly with its elongated profile, sharp lines, and signature vertical taillight at over 19 feet long. This car commands presence like few others. The design language speaks of an era when bigger truly meant better. Interior design. Inside, the Coupe DeVille delivers on Cadillac's promise of first-class comfort. The seats are upholstered in supple leather or plush velour, providing the kind of softness you sink into. The cabin is adorned with faux wood trim, and even by today's standards, the sheer space inside feels opulent. Rear passengers are treated to limousine-like legroom, while the driver enjoys an array of controls that were advanced for their time, like automatic climate control and an optional 8-track stereo system. Under the hood, the 1977 Coupe DeVille packs a 7.0-liter V8 engine, producing 180 horsepower and an impressive 320 pound-feet of torque. While these numbers might not seem groundbreaking today, back then, this was a powerhouse built for smooth cruising. Paired with a 3-speed turbo-hydramatic automatic transmission, the ride feels almost effortless, gliding down highways like a yacht on wheels. Of course, performance like this comes at a price, especially at the pump. The Coupe DeVille's fuel economy averages around 10 miles per gallon, but for enthusiasts, that's a small price to pay for experiencing one of Cadillac's finest creations. Today, the 1977 Coupe DeVille holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. Depending on the condition, prices can range anywhere from $10,000 for a project car to upwards of $40,000 for a pristine, low-mileage example. Restoring one can be a labor of love, but for those who cherish its timeless style and unmatched presence, it's worth every penny. The 1977 Cadillac Coupe DeVille isn't just a car, it's a symbol of a bygone era of American luxury. Whether you're a collector or simply an admirer, this classic reminds us of a time when cars were built to make a statement, and few could do it better than this. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and keep the classics alive.